Driving your Model Y and suddenly it slams the brakes? You're not alone. Let's talk real solutions for phantom braking. Phantom braking happens when your Tesla suddenly slows down or stops, even though there's no obstacle. It's frustrating and can be dangerous. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to reduce it. First, always keep your vehicle's software updated. Tesla regularly releases fixes that address phantom braking, so connect to Wi-Fi and check for updates often. Second, adjust your autopilot settings. If you're on the highway, try using traffic-aware cruise control instead of full autopilot. Some drivers report fewer issues this way. Third, drive in the center lane when possible. Phantom braking can happen more often in the right lane, especially near exits, shadows, or overpasses. Fourth, keep your cameras clean. Dirty sensors and cameras can confuse the car's system, leading to false alarms. Wipe them down regularly, especially after rain or snow. If phantom braking keeps happening, report it through your Tesla screen. This helps Tesla improve their systems and pushes out better updates. Last tip, always stay alert and keep your hands on the wheel. Autopilot is a great tool, but it's not perfect. Your attention is the best safety feature. Stay safe out there and keep your Tesla running smooth. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more practical tips.